Arriving at Chewore, whether you've come in from a plane or you've driven in, you come across a fairly desolate few kilometers of an old floodplain. And you come down into this forest, and the tranquility and the beauty of the place is, it's enchanted. You come down, you feel it, you see it, you see the animals, you feel the atmosphere change, and you've now arrived at Chewore. Elephants that come to dinner while you're sitting there. Your bedrooms are designed so that the breezes and the winds blow through, but with the result, you can see an elephant at about 2 feet from you. It's their place. They come to see us in the rooms. We don't come to see them. They look at us. Chewore is a place where the animals come to see the humans. These alberta trees, they are so magnificent, and they house an amazing, amazing array of animals. But the animals here have always been here. We've come afterwards. They walk through as if we're not here, these elephants. They just seem to ignore us. All animals, when they come into here, just seem to calm down, because there's never been any hunting in this zone here. The animals will come in, come to eat, and move on. The river's got life. The river is alive. I'd never have a bad day on the river. I just don't have a bad day. There's just so much to see and do. You're drifting down. You're catching fish, hopefully. The scenery's changing the whole time. You're seeing elephants, buffaloes. Just doing nothing I'm quite happy here doing nothing. I built Chewore Lodge in this area because it's where I fished, and I'm passionate about it. It's pristine. The area is absolutely magnificent. It is a little piece of heaven. As I say, there are many lovely places in this world, many, many, many. And I get people come here and say, oh, this is the best place in the world. No, it's not. It's not. But it's one of them.
I want people to leave with the experience of feeling Africa. For us, and I think for most people who come, Africa's a feeling, and that's what Chewore gives you. We've wanted to keep it small, so 1 or 2 families can come in and experience it as we believe it was intended to be. We want everyone else to feel what we feel.
We older generations have done damage to this planet, and it's time we take responsibility so that we can hand over to the next generations, and we hand them back something better than we inherited.